everyone! Welcome back to Live a Little and welcome to my new space in my new apartment. And I have a new little baby to introduce you to. Say hi, Emerald. Say hi, love. This is my little kitty, Emerald. She's about 12 weeks old and Brock and I adopted her almost a month ago now. So today's video is really exciting and special. Oh, are you sitting up? Oh, sorry. Today's video is really special because I am going to be creating a cat toy for Miss Emerald. Since she's a kitty, she's really active and I want to make her a little toy that I can kind of, what's the word? It's like one of those little floating toys that you have like on a stick and you can move it around like a wand, whatever that's called. That's what I'm going to be making today because cat toys can be kind of pricey and most of them aren't made very well, so I wanted to make my own, and that way if she breaks it, I can just make another one. So all the products will be linked below and my blog post will also be linked below, and I'm going to go ahead and insert my last video that I did with my sister's cat Snickers on making a little cat toy, so that will be in the description box as well if you want some more ideas, but I think we're gonna get started. Okay, so what we're gonna use today is the Embellish dimensional embroidery foam, and this comes in a pack with 6mm and 2mm. I'm going to use the 6. So this is the 6mm. It's very thick, which is perfect for kitties. So I think I'm going to use some of the 6mm. And I'm also going to use some of this Embellish Iridescent Embroidery Mylar because, first of all, it's really pretty, but listen to that sound. Kitties love that sound. I don't know if you've ever seen some of the cat toys that are really crinkly sounding. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to cut out a little random shape, kind of like a curve, kind of like that. So I have a couple pieces here. I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to, one thing I really appreciate about this packaging is that it's resealable. Isn't that so cool? I really like that because I definitely am not going to be using all of this Mylar in one project. So that's really cool. I appreciate that. So same with the dimensional foam. It also is resealable. That is so nice. Especially having cats. A cat who climbs in everything. She can't get in here. That's good. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut out a random shape. Cut out a random shape there. So I'm going to set my foam aside. So you're going to need your little Mylar, a hole punch, a shoelace if you have one, or some twine. I'm using this cotton thread, and a chopstick. So you can just pick up an extra one of these at your local takeout next time. Or I just have these that came with a little rubbing bowl. So what you're going to do is you're just going to start hole punching, and these are kind of double layered or folded over. Hi, kitty. You want to see what we're doing? You want to see what we're doing? I'm making you a toy. Okay, so she's not interested. I'm gonna just hole punch these. And you can kind of make them go in different directions if you want to. I think I'm just gonna keep mine. How I punched them. So I'm going to take this string and I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece. I'm going to double up on this just so it's extra secure because kittens play very rough because they don't know any better. So I'm going to go ahead and double up on that. So you can make this as long or as short as you want. And then you're going to go ahead and feed this through the holes. So now I'm going to go ahead and alternate between the Mylar and the foam. So once that's all done, I'm gonna go ahead and knot it at the bottom. Just once, just so it can come all the way out. And you just have that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my chopstick and secure this. I'm gonna secure it towards the thicker part of it. Make sure you tie this on pretty firmly. I'm gonna give it a couple knots. Okay, and once that is tied securely, you can trim the excess off. And you're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Send a comment down below if you like it, if you loved it, and make sure to subscribe to our channel here on Embellish. And drop a comment and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see me making, what products from Embellish you want me to highlight, and don't forget to click on the link in my bio to find an independent Embellish dealer near you. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next week. Bye!